Hello and welcome to Sort of Sir's classes again. We move to the third question, which says at what time between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. the two arms of a watch are completely opposite to each other. Now let's draw this pictorially to understand what it is. So let me draw the watch. Here we go, and as we know that there are 60 minutes or 60 divisions in the watch. So we start with 0 and then we have 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and then 10, 11 and 0 again becomes 12. So there are 12 hour settings and 60 minute settings. So let's show the minute settings also. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in the minute setting I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. It goes on. So what does the word completely opposite means? Completely opposite means that the hour hand would be, let's say, 3 and the minute hand would be at 9, or the hour hand is somewhere here, and the minute hand is somewhere here, and things like that. So that means the gap between the hour hand and the minute hand would be 30 minutes or 30 minute divisions. So this is the meaning of the word completely opposite to each other. Now we know that if the clock starts at 2 p.m., that means the hour hand is pointing towards 2 and the minute hand is pointing towards 0 or 12, and then the hour hand would go to 3 at 3 p.m. and the minute hand would come back to 12 or 0. Now in between, what happens is the hour hand travels 5 divisions or 5 minute divisions, and the minute hand travels 60 minute divisions. So therefore when the hour hand travels 1 minute division, the minute hand would travel 12 minute divisions. Or if the minute hand travels 1 division, the hour hand will travel 5 by 60 or 1 by 12 minute division. So now let's say the minute hand travels x minutes. So therefore minute hand travels x minutes. So the hour hand will travel x by 12 minutes or minute divisions, right? So let's say the minute hand reaches the point x minute when the hour hand reaches it was at 10 minute division, so it will be 10 plus x by 12. So this is x by 12. Let's say it travels this much when the minute hand, let's say, is here, or let's say the minute hand is here and the hour hand is here. So the hour hand has traveled 10 plus x by 12 minute divisions, and the minute hand has traveled x minute divisions. So the difference between these two would be 30 minute divisions. That means the minute hand is at x minutes and the hour hand is at 10 plus x by 12 minutes, and the difference between these two is 30 minute divisions. So now we solve for x, which means 11 by 12x is equal to 40, and therefore x is equal to 40 into 12 is 480 by 11, which is equal to 4 3.6 or roughly equal to 44 minutes. And we can see in option 2 it is given as 2.44 p.m. which is the correct option.